what's up? I'm back at y'all with another video. Okay, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. And if you always come by, thank you for always coming by to show Sugar Mama some love. I really, really, really appreciate it. So I'm going to go ahead and say my prayers and then I'm going to get this started. Okay? Amen. Today I'm having Singapore rice noodles with shrimp, chicken, and vegetables in there. I got this from the local supermarket, Wegmans. If y'all have a Wegmans, go there and try some of this. Try some of this. You want some? You can have the first bite, Sugar Willis. There you go. Now let me see. This is my first time getting this from them. It's good. It's good. It's not. It's will have a little spice to it. It's not that spicy. I was hungry, and I was in my area, so I decided to come in and have something to eat. Wait a minute, Sugar Wiggles. We're back. Okay, I'm back. I just had to do something real quick. I actually really love Singapore noodles. For the chicken. I really do. This is already pre-packaged. Of course. And all I had to do was heat it up. Sugar Woogers, what y'all been up to? I haven't really, recording like I should, but I think I'm back, y'all. Not that y'all know I was gone, but I'm back. What y'all gonna have today? Y'all want shrimp? Y'all get y'all shrimp? Okay. This is good. I was gonna buy something to eat, right? And do it in the car, but then I remembered that I had this. I said, let me go in the house and do this. Good morning. No soda today, Sugar Wiggle. Maybe later though. Maybe later. I had to put my hair in a ponytail because it was raining something terrible yesterday. It really was. And my hair does not do well in the rain, all that. It's crazy. I'll do this again. This is good. Okay. Look good, don't it? Comment below if you like Singapore rice noodles. Because I do. It got the, the curry flavor. That's what it tastes like. Y'all want a piece of chicken again? Almost dropped it. Mm-mm. It's spicy. I taste the spice. To me, anyway. Mm. Need some water. Water. You know what? Someone requested that I do a little steam some live crabs, steam them. I never did that before, you guys. Never. But I sure will try. I'm going to try for y'all. I don't know when, but I'm going to do it. I can see me now. Since I always just get them already steamed, y'all. I don't mess with nothing really like live and going cooking it and killing it and stuff. Now, hurt my feelings a little bit. I don't want to see them alive and then I go and kill them and cook them. I know it got to be done, but me to do it? Can you imagine that? I can't imagine it, but I'm going to try. Watch me. Mm. Mm. Woo. Don't see me. Shrimp. Just hitting the spot. Ooh, y'all see that? Just hitting the spot, y'all. I love Wegmans too. Got a whole lot to choose from, y'all. Alright, I'm getting more stuff from there, so y'all. This little thing was $8. And then I got Mason some fried rice and vegetables because he wanted that. He had to have his rice. So I had to go find him some rice. Like that. And I got him some and he tore it up. And I got this. So, when was it? Was it yesterday? No, excuse me. It was Saturday. I had me a lift ride. My goodness. That was one terrifying lift ride. Because, look, we was riding, right? Y'all were quiet. She was quiet. And then she asked me, she said, I heard something going on in the back. But I ain't really pay attention. I thought she was just on the phone or talking or something. So then she said, excuse me, you got a napkin? And I said, sure. And I handed her the napkin. And when I handed her the napkin, she's like, because there's a spider on the seat right there. On the seat next to me, like by the headrest. And I instantly got extremely hot. Me and spiders, let me tell you. Me and spiders do not get along. Let me tell you. So when she said that, I instantly got real hot and I got scared. So, oh my God, oh my God. I really went crazy with her. I said, oh no, I gotta pull over. I gotta pull over. And so I pulled over. And I was like, get it, get it, get it, get it. No, you get it, you get it, you get it, you get it. We was really doing this, me and the rider. And I don't even know her, but we was going through it trying to get this spider. Nope. We was really going through it. So she was in the back seat and I got out, went around, opened the door. And I had a napkin, she had a napkin. I was like, get it, get it, get it, get it, you get it, get it, get it, please, get it, get it. And I was just jumping around. It was a white spider. And I was like, oh my God, I'm really acting like this on this ride. So I went to go hit at it and I missed. And then again I said, no, oh my God, I missed. Oh my God, get it, get it, get it, get it. And she said, oh my God, I'm scared too. So we were both scared. So she smashed it, but it fell. We don't know where it went. She said, but I'm sure I smashed it. And I said, so I got back in the car and I was like, oh my God. Don't you tell nobody about this lift ride. I said, don't you tell nobody about this lift ride. She said, I was scared too. So it was like an adventure on the lift ride. I did not mean to act like that. Yes, I did pull the car over. And yes, we was doing the most out there trying to catch the white spider. Got in the car and like, do-do-do, and carry on with the ride. That was tragic. That really happened in real life. Alright, oh no, she scared the mess out of me. My end right next to me. Yup. Look, y'all. I really like this. Yup. It hit the spot. It hit the spot. Y'all want the chicken? Chicken. I know she probably didn't know I was going to act like that, but yes. I do not play with spiders, y'all. Nope. Nope. I always want to see the bee near me. And she was so calm at first, but she was scared. She was so scared. She said, "Cause there's a spider." I thought she needed a napkin just for herself. But it was a good laugh. I needed it. After we got the spider, it wasn't funny when we was trying to catch it. I did good. I don't want no more, y'all. Nope. I ate it, y'all. Right? Woo! I'm full, y'all. Okay, my sugars, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, share, comment, let everybody know what I'm doing over here on this channel. Man, come on, y'all. Show Sugar Mama some love, okay? But you know I'm not gonna leave you guys without giving you a great big hug. You and me. See y'all on my next video.